Merry Christmas, everybody. I know that I haven't been the best about posting stuff to YouTube recently, and every time I post a video, everybody's like, oh, welcome back. I didn't ever actually leave. There just isn't much going on, and I'm busy with editing on Gatlinburg and Simply Clean. So it's like, I don't have much time to create other content, which kind of sucks, but is what it is. I'm gonna have an update video coming in a couple of days to explain what's going on for the new year. Today, right now, it's like 10 in the morning. I'm about to leave here and drive to Nashville. I had a shoot booked for today, and then they bailed last night, but I'd already organized a little meet with Lee Media. So I'm still going to Nashville. We're gonna go set up a little meet, and I think the main purpose for me today is to set up pictures for the photo editing contest, which goes live today. I will announce more on that towards the end of this video, but today's purpose is to go get some pictures that I can use for that. And I just realized, since I'm vlogging, I should probably go grab my gimbal, because I know you guys want to see some cinematic shit in here. Alright, gimbal grabbed, as well as some other bits and pieces. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, I actually hadn't mentioned this in a video that's come out yet, because I was talking about it in the Simply Clean vlog. I got rid of my Ronin M, and now I have a Ronin S, but you have to wait till the Simply Clean vlog so you can hear me explain why I made the change. My wonderful girlfriend got me a monitor for this, because I kept breaking mine, so I changed out to one that has a side mounting point so it can swivel without snapping the fucking mount. So that's dope. But anyway, let's go to Nashville. We just made it over to Nashville, and we got a couple cars out here. We're about to probably take some cars off and go shoot some stuff. Tyler, I'll introduce you to him in a second, knows the area, has a bunch of fucking cool ass spots to go to, so I'm relying on him, and hopefully we got some dope shit. I'm especially excited to shoot this thing, because on Instagram I thought this car was black, but it's actually purple. Fully thought this thing was black. Guys, this is Tyler, Lee Media.
How you doing? We are in Nashville. Through a meet. It feels good outside. We got a scooter that's like $1 to drive. 10 cents a mile. That's
10
probably
cents a mile on the gallon.
That's the same miles per gallon he gets on his Civic.
Oh, fuck you.
Good fit in it. It's lit.
Obviously we got that pretty solid lineup of cars. This thing has been almost convincing me to lease a new Civic, because they're cheap as fuck. Alright, spot number one, car number one. Kind of a view of Nashville, some trees. Dope. First location, first car done. Second car, second location. Okay, so next spot, we're on top of a garage with a view.
Hey, did you not make it?
Ah. Go faster! So yeah, this is where we're at right now. Excited to shoot this thing, if we can get it up here. Well, it's no bueno. Car's not making it in here. Personally, I would have just sent it, but that's fine. So we're gonna go try and find a spot on street level with good sunlight, so we can actually see the purple. We're driving around right now, trying to find somewhere good to shoot at. The problem that I'm having is that the side of the city that we're on right now means that I'm not going to be able to see the purple in the 350. The background won't be the city if I want to see purple in the wrap. So we're kind of like trying to move around and figure out somewhere where the lighting is key, so that I can see the purple highlights in the wrap and still have the city in the background. Now, it would make sense that, hey, let's go to the other side of the city, but the other side of the city is in the shade, so it's like really difficult. But I don't know, we've got a bunch of cars with us, which makes it more difficult to kind of like cruise around and look for something, but it's what it's all about. You know, when we do this shit, it's like stupidly awkward to set up, but hopefully we'll find something. What you think?
It's not looking promising.
So now we're scouting pieces of wood. Who do you think would win? one Stancy boy versus one Trekkie boy. Just occurred to me, if you get stuck here, I think this might be an active railway. Alright.
Hey, watch his rear bumper. Go slow.
Damn. We're in a brickyard. Never shot in a brickyard, but this is actually tight. And I'm gonna try bringing the car in here. All right, finally we get to shoot this thing amongst all these bricks. I have not been having the best time trying to shoot that Z. You cannot see the purple because the sun's so low. My shadow is gonna be in at any angle where you can see it. So it's like super difficult to work with, but I got a couple decent shots with it. It's probably just gonna look black as it does in every picture, but let's see what everyone else is doing.
My boy Train Track CSX in the background, so rip the audio for that. But we're about to get 2 more sets done. Sun's going down. Eli's hungry as fuck. He's about to eat his bike.
The rollers in my car, so she has to drive. I'm paying you for that.
All right, we're doing rollers after this.
No, the wood snapped.
It did? Yeah, go back. Go back, go back.
How you feeling about this?
I regret nothing.
You're good?
Oh yeah, it's good. It popped up. The board's stuck. Yep, just go slow.
Hey! Right now I imagine somebody is typing a comment that says fucking idiots. Why don't you just like raise it up? What do you have to say?
You're not really low if you're not scraping everywhere, man. Bags just aren't cool for me. For me personally, like if you can drive around, like the lowest you can drive around, if you can drive around like that, why wouldn't you?
I just want to give a massive shout out to Wes. He's the dude in the Z06 in front of me from TN Speed. I left a link in the description to his YouTube channel. Go check him out. He provided me with the drone shots you see in this video, so super big shout out to him. I don't have a drone personally, so it's nice when someone else can give me some drone shots. But yeah, time to go eat. Everybody's been raving about Burger Republic in Nashville, so we're gonna go check it out. I'm starving. I'm so excited.
Man, too much something. Out of my heel blow now. It's too much something.
She is so fucking fire. Get this man blanket. We're good now.
Yo, Joe, it's a flannel blanket.
Oh, and it's fucking flannel.
This restaurant's the shit. They give us fucking blankets. Like.
Christmas.
You're laughing, but we're fucking cozy as shit over here. So
Oh, feel this.
well, the viewers can't film it.
Dry fit. What?
I think you're asking me to touch your skin. You got lotion?
Yo, so we just rolled up in Clarksville. These lights are insane. I'm so stoked. I'm gonna shoot some shots with Eli's car while we're here real quick. So I can use these for the photo competition, which, stay tuned, I am gonna be talking about that at the end of this video and how you can enter, prizes, blah, blah, blah. We just got done shooting some stuff with Eli's car. This light setup is amazing, and the pictures I could get here are fucking insane. Just look at the pictures I just took with Eli's car. They're so sick, and I have been dying to shoot with Christmas lights. Like since the start of December, I've been saying I need to shoot somewhere with this, and I'm so glad that I did. And I didn't even realize this place existed. This is a sick-ass light display, and I just hit up the dude with the red FRS who we were hanging out with earlier, and he's on his way here now, so hopefully we're gonna shoot some fuego here. Just got done shooting with Devin out here with the lights. His car looked so good with these lights. I actually got done shooting his car probably an hour and a half ago, but we've been standing out here in the cold talking cars for so long. It's been a minute since I've done that with someone, and I really enjoyed that. We were just literally just talking about cars, people, parts, things we want to do, like just cool shit, like car guy stuff. That's why we do this. Like, at least that's why I do this. Like, it's sharing a passion with other people, just hanging out. It's like 30 degrees. Like, I'm cold, my toes are freezing, but like, I had a good evening, I had a good day. But now it is time to finally talk about the photo editing contest. Now, this is kind of just for fun. It's not super competitive, and you know, if you win or you're a runner-up, then you can get some prizes. They're just, you know, LEP t-shirts and stickers and whatever. Everybody that enters gets discount codes, but most of the information is in a link in the description, which will take you to my website. There is a tab on the website that is specifically for this contest. It has all of the rules and a download link for the pictures. And then basically all you're going to do is you're going to edit them however you want, have fun with it, be creative. Photography is very expressive, so express yourself through the editing in these images. And for those of you guys who don't have nice camera equipment to shoot pictures like these, this is a cool opportunity for you guys to get your hands on raw images and edit them and mess with them. And me personally, I love doing this with other images, so I would love to see some other people do contests like this. But yeah, have fun with it. And the end of the video will have the images that you will be able to use. So the contest starts today, Christmas Day, and it will end on New Year's Eve at midnight. And I need all entries in by then, and then a winner will be selected and probably announced a couple days after. Not sure yet, but you need to be following me on Instagram to see that. So go to @LEP_automotive, follow me, stay up to date with all of this, and yeah, go to the website, enter now. Here is the images, and thank you for watching. See you guys.